माय यूट्यूब फॅमिली कशी आहे तुम्ही सगळी जेली हायली पिली न्हिदली उठवली न्हिदोन हाय अजून देखून उठाय आम्ही वयताय आज मागीर काल मेरिकलाय जाल्ले एन्युअल आनी आज आमगेले हे दोगांयनी पाडे आमगेले आनी पाडे तुमी आनी ते पाडूक न्ही रे तुज्या हेचे हो सद्या आतां ब्रेकफास्ट करता आमगेलो चट्टू बच्चा आमगेलो ब्रेकफास्ट करता चाव गेल तेणे मागीर कितें रे रेजा आमलेट पाव एक ब्रेड है आनी हो आमगेलो आसा मॅरिस्टन तोय सेम तेगली चाव आनी आमलेट पाव आनी बरो न्हेसोला ओके आयज तेमकां स्कूल ड्रेस ना ओके स्कूल ड्रेस ना म्हणटकूच आयज तेंगेले आसा कितें रे कितें आहा रे ओके तेंगले आयज एन्युअल डे हा काल मेरिकलायले जाल्ले व्हिडिओ काडलो जाय जाणांनी भुरग्यान बरें एक्टींग केल्लें आज देवा कडेन म्हाका आतां एमगले बरी भाशेन जाल्या पुरमूण ओके नेरेजा आनी तो खबर ना कोण जावपा आतां हांवें विचारलो ते कडेन कोण जावपा रे तूं मागीर सांग आतां सिक्रेट खंय अजून आनी तूं कोण जावपा रे तूं मेल्कियर खंय कार्पेंटर जावपा आहा ओके मागीर व्हिडिओ काडटा हांव तेंगेलो प्लीज चोया हा तेंगे व्हिडिओ प्लीज चोया हा आनी जायती भुरगीं सेंटेन्साची बरी एक्टींग करतलीं एक प्ले बी हा रेजा प्ले प्ले हा मागीर डान्स बी हा काल बरें जालो न्हू तेंगेलें काल बरें जालें बरो लोकांक जाय जाणा लोकांक चयलो काल प्रिंसिपल येयल्लो चयलो व्हिडिओ हा मरे तेगेलो प्रिंसिपला गेलो तो गाडी घेवन येयलो तेगेले कळना तेका चल मागीर हिंगासून मागीर दाखया तुमकां ओके आमगे मॅरिस्टनात मेल्कियर आत न्हेसतलो ओके भुरग्यान ओके गॉड ब्लेस यू तुमकां मोगासून
The best days of school life, months of preparation, and of course, eagerly waiting for this day where the students will showcase their talents. How to distinguish the best? Though these are memories, it will definitely make us shine. We don't forget what we learned, but not what we felt. That's exactly what we will experience today. Dear parents, a warm welcome to one and all for this annual day celebration. As we are about to start our program, I would like to request the parents not to rise from your seats to click pictures during the program. Parents are also requested to take their children from their respective classes only after the program is over. We have among us Madam Andrea and Monica. I request our headmistress, Mrs. Fritzy, to escort them to their seats. I request Master Walban to present flower pot to Madam. I request Miss Alia to present flower pot to Monica. I request everyone to kindly stand.
Good morning, everyone. Hi, I am Renan Rodriguez. Hi, I am Enola Pereira. Together, we would like to say welcome, namaskar, Mae Mogacho Yoga. We are truly honored to anchor our today's annual day cultural program. Dear parents, children, it will be a colorful, fun-filled morning which will really capture everyone's heart. Music is a piece of art that goes through the ears straight to the heart. We did welcome you with words, and now it's over to our students of standard 1 to 4 to welcome you with their melodious voices, trained by teacher Angela and teacher Jovila. With lots of love, joy in our hearts, and happiness, we welcome you to our very own annual day. This is our dear school, filled with unity. So come, let's celebrate this day. Say aloud, hooray! Welcome one and all of you, and thank you for your time. So come, let's hold our hands and enjoy the special ride. Welcome one and all of you to join us on this day. So come, let's hold our hands and now sing and sway. We welcome one and all of you, so our honored guests. We welcome our dear principal and our parents too. We are glad to see you here with us today. We hope to entertain you in our honest way. Welcome one and all of you, and thank you for your time. So come, let's hold our hands and enjoy the special ride. Welcome one and all of you to join us on this day. So come, let's hold our hands and sing and sway. With wings of zeal and courage, we wish to fly up high. With your blessings, good wishes, we are sure to rise. We the proud children, with dreams so big and high. With unity and amity, the name shall glorify. Welcome one and all of you, and thank you for your time. So come, let's hold our hands and enjoy the special ride. Welcome one and all of you to join us on this day. So come, let's hold our hands and dance, sing and sway. So come, let's hold our hands and dance, sing and sway. So come, let's hold our hands and dance, sing and sway. Get ready. We have with us Miss Angel, our ex-student, with her dance performance.
हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 आओ ले लिया कुड़ी ने दिल सादा हाले थोड़ा साफ जहा नहीं लगदा इरादा दुध वाली लंबी नहीं रखी है मोटे यार ने है लिखदा परांदा नहीं ओ देखदा परांदा फिगर तो लगदी तीनों एक बारी दस दो जी इन्नी क्यों शकीनो हाले ही तू इटली तो आई मर जानी है ते परस तू पेरिस तो मंगाया वैलेंटिनो हाँ तेनू क्यों ना देखा तेरे को की सिखा तेरे पे की लिखा हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 सोनिए नी अख तेरी थी फायर अगर आ देखदी नी दता शरीफा ਇੱਥੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਤੂੰ ਮੱਚਦੀ ਸੀ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਦਿਲ ਕਰੇ ਲੰਡਨ ਤੇ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਆਈ ਵੀਜ਼ਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਫਰੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੋਰਾ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਆਈ ਜੀ ਸਟੋਰੀ ਤੋਂ ਤਾਂ ਬੋਰਾ ਬੋਰਾ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਅੱਜ ਤੇਰੀ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਜ਼ਰੀਲੀ ਨੂਰੀ ਵਰਗੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਲੱਕ ਹਿੱਲਦਾ ਉਦੋਂ ਤਾਂ ਨੋਰਾ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਂ ਦੱਸ ਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਥਾਂ ਦੱਸ ਦੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਜਾਨ ਦੱਸ ਦੇ ਹੁਸਨ ਤੇਰਾ ਤੌਬਾ 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 ਹੁਸਨ ਤੇਰਾ ਤੌਬਾ 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 ਹੁਸਨ ਤੇਰਾ ਤੌਬਾ 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 ਹੁਸਨ ਤੇਰਾ ਤੌਬਾ 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 ਤੌਬਾ
Thank you, Angel. Dance is a special art form knows no bounds and can be understood and felt by everyone. Now let's enjoy the performance by our talented dancers of Standard 3 Vidya Fusion Dance, trained by Teacher Fidu and Teacher Brenda.
During its all time, choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fold it up, oh, if you fold it up, hey, Tamina, mina, sangalewa, 'cause this is Africa. Tamina, mina, hey, waka, waka, hey, Tamina, mina, sangalewa, anawa, ana, Tamina, mina, hey, waka, waka, hey, Tamina, mina, sangalewa. This time for Africa, Tango, hey, Tango, hey, Tamina, mina, sangalewa, anawa, ana, Tango, hey, Tango, hey, Tamina, mina, sangalewa, anawa, ana. This time for Africa. This time for Africa.
तुझे लेने को आए लो,
माझे वांगडा चालला गो मेरे साथ चलना गो मी मुंबई से खाली तुझे लेने को आयलो मी मुंबई से खाली तुझे लेने को आयलो
तुझे बांगड्या येऊच नाही तेरे साथी येऊच नाही तुझे बांगड्या येऊच नाही तेरे साथी येऊच नाही तुझे मुंबईचे नखरे मला परवडूचे नाही तेरे मुंबई के नखरे मुझे परवडूचे नाही Wow, that was an awesome performance. शिकत मेळ्यात आधुनिक जीविताचं एक महत्वाचं भाग. शिक्षणाक लागून आत्मविश्वास वाढता. मनशाक आपल्या कुटुंबाखातीर, समाजाखातीर, देशाखातीर आशिल्ली आपले कर्तव्य कळटा. तर आता तिसरेची आणि चौथेची भुरगीं शिक्षण आमकां कितलें गरजेचें तें ह्या ल्हानशा नायकुऱ्यांतल्यान दाखोवन दितली. तयार करपी टीचर शाळेत आणि टीचर सिमरन. राजू ओ राजू कित कोत्रे लिसांव शिकतालो कितें लिसांव शिकतालो इतू शिकून कित कोतलो नाका इतू शिकोवंक नाका चल मुझ बारा शेता कामायो पूण पळय चड शेको सांग नाका वच बरे नाव कितें तुजें म्हजें नाव पेद्रू तुका चीट आयला पूण वच हांव ती तुका दिना मातशें राव म्हाका माफ कर घे तुजी चीट थंय बाराका सोय केसो सोय नाल्लांची अरे सायन सायन पूण म्हाका सायन मारपाक कळना सायन मारपाक कळना ना जाल्यार बोट मार मातशें ही चीट वाचून तूं चीट वाचून घे ना जाल्यार तुगे पुताक सांग शेता कामाक गेला कितें तूं ताका शेता कामाक धाडटा ही ल्हानचे पिरायेचे तूं ताका कळा धाड मरे ती सारबाकाचो मनीस तूं मातशें वाच म्हाका वगत ना मातशें वाच हांव वता वच अरे देवा आतां कित कोतलो
हॅलो कोण रे आज सांग कायतानागे चोडागे काजार मरे तुकरा बारू केला कितला वर्ष तुका गोसो गेलो आनी तुकराचो तुटायचा तो साठवेड्या बरें बरें
अरे लादरू केसा रे अशें म्हणजे काय करची
कितें
ही म्हजी चीट वाचपाची सांजे कित्याक वाच न्हू
कितला वर्ष तुका सकाळी दिसली बरो
कितें सकाळी दिसली बरो आसलें आनी केसो तेंचा अशें वाच रे आनी तुगोर मारपाक वरा वाचूंक मागीर कोणा एक सांगल्यार बरें जाता चीट वाचपाक अरे डिस्कावंट जर घेता रे हांव बरा
सांग कितें
ही म्हजी चीट वाचपाची
तें नाचपाचें
ना वाचपाचें
कितें खावपाचें
ना रे काब्या वाचपाचें
वचपाचें
अरे वाचपाचें आनी वाचपाक बरा वाचूंक काय कोणा अरे म्हणून रे केसा रे अशें म्हणजे मुखार करची सांग कितें ही म्हजी चीट वाचपाची ना वाचपाची एकाने कित सांगपाचें म्हाका चीट वाचूंक येना तुला खबर तुगे चीट घेवन कित कोत तूं अरे हांव सिग्नलार रावतालो तें सिग्नलू चीट आनी वाचपाक सिग्नल जाय पडटा पळय रे सिग्नल जाय पडटा म्हाका सारकें सांगू तुका चीट वाचपाक येता बरें हांव तुका सारकें सांगता म्हाका तुजें चीट वाचूंक येना वच ना तो तूं हिल्पीस आसा एक सांगल्यार बरो जाता चीट वाचपाक हे हालो हिल्पीस म्हाका ती चीट वाच आमी दाखयली हिल्पीसू कोण रे अगोत्रीन मरे हिल्पीस कोण सारकें हिल्पीस जाता बरें अशें म्हणजे काय करची म्हजी चीट वाचपाची चीट म्हाका जायना हांव मुगे वाचूं शेजारी गेलें वाचपाचें सोगांक वाचूंक येना म्हटल्यार म्हज्या नशीब ती चीट हांव वाचिता म्हज्या मोगाल जावई पेद्रू ही चीट तुज्या सासूमां आनी सासूबायन बरयल्या म्हज्या मोगाल जावई पेद्रू तुज्या बायलेन तुज्या बायलेन कार हॉस्पिटलान 2 भुरग्यां जन्मा हाडल्यात लुंगी डान्स देव बरें करूं म्हाज्या भावा तूं शीक आनी दुसऱ्यांनी शिकूंक दी बेश्टे तुज्या पुताक शेतां कामां जाता आयज काल चड मत दिवपाचें तुवें सांगत तशें हांव न्याय करतलो आनी म्हज्या पुताक इस्कोलाक धाडटलो देव बरें करूं घे तुजी चीट तुमी सगळ्यांनी चोयलां न्हू मनीस शिकना जाल्यार कितें घडटा तें ताका लागून मनशाक शिकोवप चड मत दिवपाचें ना जाल्यार हें सगळें घडपाक लागता शिकप हें एक म्हत्वाचें हत्यार हें आमी हो संवसार देव बरें करूं व्हडल्यान ताळो मातसो कशें लागलें तुमकां आवडलें न्हय तर म्हाका तर खूब आवडलें ह्या नाटकुल्यांतल्यान आमकां शिक्षणाचें महत्व कितें तें कळून आयलें Men are born to succeed, not to fail. Yes, our students proved it right. It's time now to honor our students who have excelled in academics for the year 2023 to 2024. It's over to teacher Jovila.
For the year 2023-24. I call Madam Andrea to give the certificates. KG2, first rank, Miss Daniel Afonso. Miss Diaisha K. Podar. Second rank, Miss Aradhya Raut. Master Ethan Pereira. Miss Nitya Mukherjee. Miss Michaela Fernandez. Third rank, Master Trinesh Roy. Master Shubham Chetty. Master Melchior D'Souza. Master Anush Khatikar. Standard 1, first rank, Master Mesa Fernandez. Miss Leonie Pereira. Second rank, Master Loyton Silva. Miss Leah Fernandez. Third rank, Master McQueen Vaz. Master Beryl Rebello. Miss Princia Fernandez. Thank you, Madam Andrea. I request Mrs. Manika to give the certificates. Miss Grazel Fernandez. Second rank, Master Nathaniel Dias. Master Elijah Dias. Third rank, Miss Audrey Fernandez.
Musbalanki na khuna.
India is a diversified country with a vast of festivals that are celebrated by people of different cultures and religions. These festivals form the rich heritage of the country. Now we have the students of standard 2 and 4 celebrating the different festivals of different religions in India, trained by teacher Vila and teacher Jovila.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. The bells are about to ring, they make our spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. अस्सलाम ईद का है यारो ये बयान। अस्सलाम वालेकुम अस्सलाम ईद का है यारो ये बयान। ये ईद का त्योहार है, खुशियों का है त्योहार। ये ईद का त्योहार है, खुशियों का है त्योहार। ना तेरा है ना मेरा है, ये सबका है त्योहार। ये प्यार का पैगाम है, ये प्यार का पैगाम। मुबारक ईद मुबारक, ईद मुबारक, मुबारक ईद मुबारक, मुबारक ईद मुबारक।
आज की ये रात करे दूर अंधेरा, दीप जले ऐसे लगे जैसे सवेरा।
प्यार की सौगातें हो, तारों की बारातें हो,
दूरी की रवाते हो, बस मुलाकातें हो,
सबको यही दे के संदेशा। गली 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 बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे, दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे।
That was indeed an awesome performance. Time to turn up the energy and let the magic unfold. Get ready to be amazed as we have our dancers from Standard 2 ready to set the stage on fire with an incredible cowboy dance trained by teacher Josila and teacher Anansia.
There's a cowboy in the moon, rides a little rodeo. He's a pillar down from the soul. Oh, I love him and he loves me. That's the way it ought to be. But he drives me crazy when we're making love. 'Cause he always starts to roll. I don't feel for well, he was squeezing me one night while the moon was shining bright, and I knew I was under a spell. Well, he was gazing in my eyes, and I was breathing pretty fast. And my cowboy, he let out a great big yell. Then he started to yodel. When he led me down the aisle, I was such a pretty smile. And my cowboy, he wore a buckskin suit. Well, the parson said, will you promise always to be true? And my cowboy smiled and gently cleared his throat. Then he started to yodel.
Give them a loud round of applause. To accomplish great things, we must not only act but also dream, not only plan but also believe. We have indeed accomplished many things in this last academic year. Now I invite our head mistress, Mrs. Princey Fernandez, to acquaint us with the annual report.
Good morning, everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to present the annual report of the year.
Enora, how do I look today? Do I look handsome? Of course, Ran. You do look handsome. But to know more about our inner beauty, we have our students of Standard 4 who will present before you a short English skit on how to be truly handsome. We shall see the behavior of students at home and in school. So wait and watch what we can learn from this skit, straight by teacher Savita. What is it, my son?
Mother, please tell me, what is the way to be truly handsome? Look at Rahul, Alfred, Brendan, Annalie, how charming they look. We are in the same class, same age, and look at me. Look at my pale, ugly face.
Son, I'll tell you, the best way to look handsome is to always speak the truth and to do what is right. That is the secret to all charming looks.
Okay, Mom, it's time to go to school.
Okay, son. Bye. Bye. You may start now. Do your work silently. Children, give me your paintings. Chris, mind the class. I will be back soon.
Yes, teacher, all keep quiet. Alfred, stop fighting. Brendan, Eliseo, stop fighting. Let us say the poem. The Lost Doll. I once had a sweet little doll, dears, the prettiest doll in the world. Brendan, Eliseo, stop fighting. Can't you all see we are singing the poem? Alfred, stop fighting. Can't you all see we are singing the poem? Wow, Alfred, how lovely. It's such a nice little toy. I've never seen it before. Can I please play with it?
Oh yes, Chris. You can keep it for you under one condition. You shall not report to teacher in case I haven't done my homework.
Yes, sure, Alfred.
Yes, Chris. See this game. If you like it, you can have it.
Yes, sure, Brendan.
Chris, see this. Take this sweets for you.
Thank you, Annalie.
Chris, it's fun to play. Do you want to play with me?
Yes, Nathan, only during the recess.
Why wait for recess? Let us play now. Stop.
My toy is the best.
What, Chris? Do you want it?
Yes, Sean, I would love it.
I can give it only on one condition. You should not report to teacher about the mischief that we do in the class.
Yes, sure, Sean.
Chris, look at this toy.
Yes, I would love to play with it.
But only in one condition. You must not report to teacher in case I was tearing my book pages and reporting for that.
Yes, sure. Everyone, keep quiet. Teacher's coming.
Please, I hope all were good.
Yes, teacher, everyone was good.
Well, students, the result of painting competition. Can you guess? Keep quiet. The first place goes to Master Chris Fernandez. Come here, Chris. Congratulations.
Thank you, teacher. Joyless. I still look pale, ugly, and lifeless. This is not the change I wished for. Yes, I remember my dear mother's words, which says, the key to having a handsome look lies in two things. First, always speak the truth, and second, always do the right thing.
What happened, my son? Why are you crying? You look very depressed. Can I help you?
Mom, please forgive me. All these days I have been collecting gifts like platters and sweets from my friends at school, and I lied to my teacher.
Son, don't cry. Everyone makes mistakes, but remember, there is always a way out. Now, when you go to school, return all the gifts to your friends and tell teacher all that has happened.
Yes, Mom, I'll do as you say. Okay, Mom, it's time to go to school.
Okay, son. Bye.
Bye.
Good morning, students. Children, today we are going to have quiz. Hope you all are prepared.
Yes, teacher, we are prepared. Teacher, please excuse me. All these months I have been accepting gifts from all of my friends, and in return I promise them that I will not complain to you. Please forgive me, teacher. I will not do it again.
I I am pleased with you, Grace, for having spoken the truth. Now you may return all the toys that you took from your friends.
Yes, teacher.
Sorry, teacher. Son, you look happy and sparkling bright.
Yes, Mom, I look bright and rosy. My eyes are sparkling with real joy. Hooray! I have learned a way to be truly handsome. Oh, hello, my friends. What happened?
Hi, Chris. Chris, we are here to say sorry for what has happened in school. Thank you, Chris, for teaching us a good lesson that we will always remember.
We should always do good deeds. It will brighten our face.
Never choose that to external beauty. Never take a bribe or tell a lie. Yes, students, I am very happy that you all realize the importance of how good you have to be in order to make this world a better place to live. We are the children who fullest dream. We are the promise of the future we pray. Waving the banner of love to all, to every nation, the rich and the poor. We are the birds of the restless and young, and we need a hand to guide us. Helping each other, building each other, as long as we are together, you and me. For together we stand, divide and we fall. Together we climb to the top of the world. We can be what we want, for the world to see that we are the children. Awesome performance. Parents, give our little artist a tender applause. A thankful heart is not only the greatest virtue, but the parents of all other virtues. Before the last item, I call upon Teacher Angela to propose a vote of thanks.
A delighted morning to one and all. Truly, no function is complete without a word thanks. So, with immense pleasure, I would like to thank all our cute performers who have really kept all of us in a joyful mood throughout this program. My grateful thanks to the principal, headmistress, who have always been encouraging, not forgetting our teaching and non-teaching staff. Without their help and support, this day wouldn't have been a successful and a memorable one. It's Sabi who always been providing us with his sound system and the stage setting. Thank you, Sabi. Lastly, I would like to thank you all parents, for you have been great audience and always supportive. Once again, big thank you, God bless you, and have a nice day.
Thank you, Teacher Angela. Goa is well known for its perfect blend of sand and vibrant culture. traditional occupation, an important part of Goan culture and heritage. These traditions help us earn livelihood and thus give unique identity to our beautiful Goa.
Let us now watch our children dressed up in different occupations walking down the ramp. Standard 1, trained by Teacher Labisha and Teacher Anifa.
जावच्या पिलीसू हो मानो गोयचो आमी गोंयांत आसयताव मानो म्हणून नाचो म्हणून दिसर सारताव हो मानो गोयचो आमी गोंयांत आसयताव मानो म्हणून नाचो म्हणून दिसर सारताव सांजेच्या वेळार बाजऱ्यांक बासोय भरता गारा येवन पोट बचोवन सुसगा दिता हो मानो गोंयचो आमी गोंयांत आसयताव मानो म्हणून नाचोन म्हणून दिसर सारता हो मानो गोंयचो आमी गोंयांत आसयताव मानो म्हणून नाचोन म्हणून दिसर सारता रस्ते करून दिल्या साबारू शिक्क पुन्हा जावं लागी उरल्या सकरू देवा लागी मागता आमी जावचे पिलीसू हो मानो गोंयचो आमी गोंयांत आसयताव मानो म्हणून नाचो म्हणून दिसर सारता हो मानो गोंयचो आमी गोंयांत आसयताव मानो म्हणून नाचो म्हणून दिसर सारता हो मानो गोंयचो आमी गोंयांत आसयताव मानो म्हणून नाचो
It's me, Renan and Anora saying goodbye and have a nice day. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
ह्यो बरकोर तुमकां सगळ्या मोग आसूं आनी आमी सगळीं एकवटान रावया.